Welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's start coding and let's create another TR for navigation bar. So we can put a comment here. Let's say navbar section. I just select it and command slash and create TR and TD, create UL and LI and A tag. About contact. Let's put some style, correspond to, and style, background color, that color, and save it. You see the navigation bar area. Let's create another TR for main section. Let's say main section, make it command out, section starting, and create another TR, TD, and let's put a paragraph, content text here, and let's create another TD for sidebar area. Let's save it. Let's put some style. Background color, let's say dark blue, and I'm going to give width 80% because I want to give rest of percent, it means 20% for the sidebar. That's why I'm giving 80%. And text align center. You see guys, let's make color white. We just use one LI for menu, but we can also use like this. Actually, we generally use like this LI for A, let's say home, and create another LI and another one about contact and save it. You see, we see it a little bit different. We will make it in line in a minute. Let's create style for LI, but not in line. Let's create LI tag in the header section. Let's say LI. This is the selector and display inline block. Save it. After adding style, let's have a look at our navigation bar area. I just noticed we just put that things to the wrong place. Let me cut it that one. It should be here. Let's save it. That's great. Also, let's make it text align center too. It's looking great. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.